Hi there. Today we will learn how to hide and unhide your personal data or files in folder using CMD. It's simple and easy. So simply come to the folder you want to hide with CMD. This ABCD folder, which I want to hide for my security. Now go to address bar. Type CMD. Type attrib plus H plus S plus R. Then the name of the folder. Mine is ABCD. Press enter. You can see, the folder is hidden now and not seen anymore. Now to unhide this, again type the same but with minus or dash. Press enter. The folder is back again. And the files are also there. So, this is how you can simply hide your files in a folder using CMD and protect your privacy. If this helped you, then please like the video and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.